We understand now what a serving consists of and what binge drinking is and how much Americans drink and what percent binge drink. Is there any evidence that excess drinking, more than 7 servings a week, is harmful to health? Let's take a closer look. This is the study on which the recommendation is based. It's available in PDF format in the resources section of this lesson. It was published in The Lancet in May 2018. It was a meta-analysis of studies. It included over 500,000 adults, and the median follow-up period was 7.5 years. The investigators found that limiting alcohol consumption to 7 servings or less per week reduced risk of death by up to 53% and extended lifespan by up to 5.5 years. Let's take a closer look at the data. This shows the health effects of alcohol consumption. On the x-axis is the servings of alcohol consumed per week. On the y-axis is the risk of premature death. Compared to someone drinking 0 to 7 servings of alcohol per week, consuming 8 to 14 servings of alcohol per week raised risk of death by 4%, and the risk of death increased compared to the comparison group, which were non-drinkers or people drinking not more than 7 servings a week, by up to 53%, depending on the alcohol use. The highest consumption group of 29 to 35 had a risk of 53% greater likelihood of dying during the 7.5-year follow-up period. The researchers also looked at the number of years of life lost by excess alcohol consumption. On the x-axis, we have servings of alcohol consumed per week. On the y-axis, we have years of life lost. Compared to a non-drinker or someone drinking 7 or less per week, half a year of life was lost for someone drinking 8 to 14 servings a week. 1.5 years of life was lost for someone drinking 15 to 24 servings per week, and 4.5 years of life was lost for someone drinking 25 or more servings per week. That's pretty shocking data that there's such a significant increased risk of premature death and so many years of life lost with excess alcohol consumption.